This method can help answer key questions in mechanobiology, such as how biological samples respond to mechanical forces produced by low-intensity ultrasound stimulation. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows an experimentalist to non-invasively apply mechanical forces to a sample and measure various biological parameters in real time.
To begin, slowly drill a 12mm hole at the bottom of a standard 35mm culture dish using a vertical press drill. Once drilled, remove pieces of plastic attached to the bottom of the dish using a blade to create a smooth surface on the external side. Next, apply a thin layer of marine-grade epoxy or glue at the external bottom surface of the dish. On top of the adhesive, place a 2.5 micron thick film of polyester, pressing firmly to make sure the adhesive spreads evenly between the film and the thick plastic surface. Gently pull the film in a centrifugal manner with fingers to create a flat surface. Once the adhesive has dried, briefly rinse the polyester bottom dish with 95% ethanol. Then, UV sterilize the dish by placing it under a strong 254 nanometer UV excitation source. Adjust duration and intensity to deliver a UV dose of approximately 330 millijoules per square centimeter. Next, dilute a commercially available extracellular matrix protein mixture with a desired culture medium at a ratio of 1 to 100. Work on